Good morning, everybody. Drew with Drew's Roofing and Home Repair, and we did this rubber roof, I want to say about 5 to 8 years ago. Not sure exactly, but it's hot, summertime. Cathedral ceilings, the heat does transfer to the inside, so we're going to cool seal this thing and make a big difference. Big difference. So now, when we put these rubber roofs on, we always cool seal them. So in order to cool seal this rubber roof, number one, I have to clean it. It's been up here for a while, but on the edges, you'll notice that there's a lot of mildew, or should I say, what is that? That is pollen. Pollen that has dropped from the trees and just kind of rolled over to the edge, and I need to wash the pollen off the edges. The top side, pretty good. I could probably deal with it, but the edges need to be washed a little bit. So see if I can get some water, get up here and wash these things and go to town. I gave it a good wash. I brushed the edges to get the pollen off, so we did a good job there. Everything looks good. Now I've got to let this thing dry. We're going to come back and make this thing white, and their house is going to be so much cooler than with this black roof. We did these black roof years ago, and we didn't paint them white. Now, when we do a black roof, we do paint them white before we leave. So this one here is going to be white and a lot cooler after today, I promise you. I'm using Hydro Stop, H-Y-D-R-O, on a rubber roof, EPDM rubber roof. You're going to want to use a Hydro Stop because it will stick to this product. You do not want to use a Kool seal. But if you're just doing a regular mobile home that doesn't have a rubber roof on it, then you want to go to Lowe's and Home Depot and buy, it doesn't matter, you don't have to get expensive Kool seal. You can get a fairly cheap Kool seal, between $70 and $100 for a 5-gallon bucket. I recommend buying 2 buckets because you'll want to put it on fairly thick through here, and this one here has a porch that I'm going to go ahead and Kool seal too. So yeah, it's going to take 10 gallons of Hydro Stop for this particular roof. Kool sealed the edges all the way around, where you're going to see the black all the way around, outside edge, white. Now we're getting a little pole and our roller. We're going to make this white all the way to the other end. And then we're going to get down with whatever we have left and paint that metal. that room is going to be cooler already. Because right now the difference between the heat on this black, when you touch it in that white, it's got to be 50 degrees. Just keep going. Roller, handle, you're good to go. Bucket of Kool Seal if you have a regular mobile home. Kool Seal from Lowe's. No, it doesn't really matter what type you get. I like the elastomeric for me. But it's up to you, whatever you want to get. Just don't get the gray stuff or the tar, anything like that. Always go with the white. Basically just go with the elastomeric and you'll be fine. Keep right on going. This house is about 68 feet, 5-gallon bucket of Hydro Stop premium coat. Was perfect. If your house is smooth like this, you can probably get away with 5 gallons, but on normal mobile home, because this is rubber, it's real smooth, normal mobile home, you might want to get 2 buckets just to be safe. And put it on just like this. You don't have to go super thick. Put a thin coat on every 2 or 3 years. You'll be good, guys. Thin coat every 2 or 3 years. We got a little bit left here, and I'm going to get some regular Kool Seal for that metal roof over there. Gets hot under there too, they said. Customer said that it made his whole house cool just by putting that one coat on there. So he said it was just an amazing difference from black to white, obviously. So we're done with this thing. Friend of mine, so I will tell you that I charged $250 labor plus materials on this job. Took me about 3 hours. So I made $250 in 3 hours, but I did have to go to Wilmington in that, so 20 bucks out of my $20 out from my gas, obviously, this morning for going there. I thought we were going to use 2 5-gallon buckets of this Hydro Stop, and we only ended up using 1, and it did a good coverage. And then I used regular Kool Seal for the metal part over there. That's what I used, an elastomeric roof coating. And to be honest with you, from now on, they can put on top of this EPDM, being I put Hydro Stop on it, they can coat it now with this. We used Hydro Stop just because that's what sticks to rubber the best.